How can crop rotation reduce fertilizer dependence? Imagine a farm where plants work together to keep the soil healthy and productive without constantly needing extra chemicals. That's what crop rotation can do. It's a simple but powerful farming practice that changes what crops grow in a field over several seasons. This helps the soil stay rich and balanced naturally. When farmers plan crop rotations carefully, they can cut down on how much fertilizer they need to buy and spread. One key way crop rotation reduces fertilizer use is through legumes like beans, peas, and soybeans. These plants have special bacteria in their roots that take nitrogen from the air and turn it into a form the plants can use. When farmers plant legumes after crops that need a lot of nitrogen, like corn, they naturally add nitrogen back into the soil. This means less synthetic nitrogen fertilizer is needed to grow the next crop. Different crops also take different nutrients from the soil. For example, corn uses a lot of nitrogen and potassium, while other crops like oats or wheat might use less. By rotating these crops, the soil doesn't lose specific nutrients too quickly. Instead, it gets a chance to recover naturally, reducing the need for extra fertilizer. Crop rotation also boosts the activity of tiny organisms in the soil. These microbes help break down organic matter and releases nutrients in a form plants can absorb. When roots from different crops grow in the soil, they create a better environment for these microbes. This improves the soil's structure, making it easier for roots to grow and for nutrients to reach the plants. Another benefit is that crop rotation helps prevent nutrients from washing away. When plants take up nutrients efficiently, there's less excess nitrogen or other elements leaching into groundwater. This not only saves money on fertilizer but also protects the environment. Farmers who use crop rotation often see more stable and sometimes higher yields over time. Because the soil stays healthy and balanced, crops grow better with less fertilizer. This can make farmland more profitable and sustainable in the long run. To put this into practice, farmers plan multi-year rotations that include legumes after high nitrogen crops. They also switch crops based on their nutrient needs and family of plants. This approach reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers and cuts costs. It also makes the farm more resilient against pests and diseases, which can otherwise require chemical treatments. In short, crop rotation is a smart way to keep soil healthy and productive without relying heavily on fertilizers. It naturally replenishes nutrients, improves soil health, and supports better crop yields. This makes farmland management more sustainable and profitable over time.